welcome Pat Barth and Jim Rue.
How you doing? How are you? Pat Barth from what?
From Shokan, New York.
Shokan, New York. Bird breeder.
Yes.
Divorced.
Yes, sir.
Why?
And have you been?
It wasn't the bird, was it?
It might have been the other 49.
What other 49?
I have a bunch of birds.
In your house?
Yes, I do.
Different kind?
Yeah, I have parrots and macaws and cockatoos like Brandy.
Uh-huh. And you're called what?
Planned parrothood. We advocate breeding.
Yes. How do you get them to talk when you want them to?
You can't, Bill.
Oh.
She's just as spontaneous as anyone else is.
Yeah. Jim? Say the last name?
Rue.
Rue.
Like Kanga?
Right. You're a history teacher?
Yes, sir.
You're from what, Alabama?
Opelika, the Great Swamp.
Opelika is an Indian name?
Yes, sir.
Meaning?
The Great Swamp.
There you go.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you teach history by mimicking different celebrities.
That's right. Because...
Right. Now tell me, what lesson am I going to teach?
You can teach anything, Doctor, you see, because history, they walk in and the students, they could go, they hit like that, you see. And you tell them,
Yes.
a piece of paper, they'll go like this, and they'll pay attention.
Now, what would Bill Cosby say about Martin Luther King on the march?
Martin, okay, the Selma March.
Where was it?
Selma
Okay.
started
Yeah.
at Selma. First March.
Huh?
First March.
Yeah, right.
Bloody Sunday.
There you go.
Martin came in and said, we're going to march. Al Lingo, Stature, George Wallace, there, not going to march. Come back again, March, Civil Rights Act, 1964.
Now, what's the difference between a Bill Cosby and a Richard Pryor?
Jerry Lewis would be much better.
Oh, okay.
Can I do Jerry? I'm going to use my reading glasses to do Jerry.
Okay.
Well, after, when you matriculate in the curriculum of all your history, you see, Mr. Cosby, are you listening?
No. You should have heard it. See, people are now, see, you got me going now. I hear myself through you. But there's a lady out there when you were doing it, she went, So that means we had to stop.
Okay.
We're going to give you some money now.
I think it was my wife.
No, she said, this one said, And coming out here is Renfield.
Hi.
Your category is TV. Start with $750. How much would you like to wager on your first question?
$498.
$498. TV. It changed police dramas forever, depicting the detectives Crockett and Tubbs in a pastel surrealistic style. Name the show. Say it out loud.
Miami Vice.
Okay, that's $1,248.
How much?
6:48.
6:48.
CBS turned a Christmas special, The Homecoming, into a series that ran 9 years. Name the show about a Virginia couple, their 7 children, and their famous mountain.
The Waltons.
The Waltons.
Is correct.
Thank you, sir.
Please. Please clap.
$1,596.
6:48 again?
Go ahead. Yes.
6:48.
6:48. Do you watch TV? No, you got too many birds in your house. 1970.
Say hi, Randy. Hi, Randy.
All right, let the bird answer this one. The cast of one controversial 1970 sitcom included Katherine Feldman, Robert Guillaume, Robert Urich, and Billy Crystal. What was the one-word title of the series?
Soap.